Hey! Good morning, family. Happy Friday. Yo, let's end this week on a fucking banger. I need $630 to pass these 5 Tradeify accounts. Technically, I only need to get to that 52,500, but because I have a little bit extra on that day there, I have to make the difference. So I made $1,078 yesterday. And that means that we need to make $26.35. So that's what we're going for. $630, $695 actually. So $630 what we're seeking. Look at the stuff getting stuck in the range. My word. Yesterday's pump getting slammed at that previous top at the 900. Sellers staying no. We're stuck in this range all over again. Gross. I'm gonna go ahead and take off all of our drawings. Remove all drawing objects. There we go. Let's remove them over here as well. Remove all drawing objects. Okay, we're clean. Got a clean board. I cannot get over that. Sussy. First and early this morning, King. How we doing, bud? All we need is $630, King, and we're in there. $630 and we're past. It should only need $440. But because of our consistency rule yesterday, we need a little bit more. Hey, Dave. Good morning, King. Happy to have you here. Danny, our queen, our absolute queen. Hope you're doing great. Happy Friday. Let's get paid today, huh? Let's go ahead and lock it in today. Oh, can you even send a message? Wait a minute. There it is. Good morning, family. Happy Fridays. I got that 50K Lucid. I'll run with you boys today. Let's go, Dave. Let's run it today, King. Honestly, yesterday's price action, wild. Look at the moment that we finally got the buyers that push all the way up through. But on the hourly chart, we got stuck at this spot is insane. The amount of sellers defending the 860s is unreal. Boss, we making money today or what? Let's go, Switch. Absolutely, King. Welcome in, family. Let's end the week on a high note. Absolutely, Danny. Coming at you, Queen. We need $630 and we pass these 5 accounts. Morning, gang. Let's go, GPT. Welcome in, King. We only need $630 technically to get to the 25,000 or 2,500. We only need $440, but because we made too much yesterday, we need to make the difference. Morning, brother. I'm in Boston, so I'm not active today. My bad, dog, but I hope your day is blessed with your opportunity for today. Let's go, Wirt. Love the support and energy, King. No worries. Enjoy what you got to do. Enjoy Boston. Thanks for stopping in and being you, brother. Family, look at this. We got the push all the way to the top of the range. Sellers defended gross. The bottom's been defended gross. We're front running. We're not even getting wicks. Where are we going? I don't know. Good morning, Matrix. Welcome in, King. Happy to have you here, brother. Let's get today working for us. Let's end today on a good day and then treat them like your babies. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Get these funded and treat them like a baby. Big overnight gap. Yes, ma'am, as well. Look at this drop off. We finally pushed up to that top and then boof. And then boof. So do we go back up? Do we go auction back up into there? Do we go close the gap? No way, right? Or is that what the buyers needed? They need a target up there to go take out these highs. Look at this hourly flat price. All month, the buyers have not been able to push through the 900s. 860. They cannot get through there. Yo, family, before market even opens, actually market just opened just now. Let's go ahead and just hit the like button if y'all are in here hanging out. There's already 13 amazing people hanging out. Let's have this morning session go well. Let's see what we can do here. Hit that like button and see if we can get this NASDAQ behaving for us. We need $630. So doable. And then we're in there. Like I said, to get to the 25,000 or 2,500, technically, we only need 440, but because we made a little bit too much yesterday, we have to make the difference to keep that 40% rule. Sellers obviously seem like they're in control from that drop from the overnight gap, but do we just go close this gap and start heading to the upside or what? You know what I mean? Or what? Let's be patient here, family. This is going to be a weird tap of the low and back up, or we're just touching the lows now, Queen. It's a spot where we definitely could hold. I mean, if you look at the hourly chart, we could hold here, but I don't know. I'm going to be patient today, guys. I'm going to be patient. Market just open for 1 minute. Let's just take our time here. Find something that really is worth our risk. And then get paid and close out. Here's the top of the low and back up, just like you said, Queen. Good morning. Good luck to all. Let's go, Diego. Good energy, King. Happy Friday, sir. Let's make it happen for us today. Let's go ahead and make it happen for us today. Opening print candle. Found some selling right to the lows. NASDAQ bought it right back up into the EMA here. 50 points on this first candle already. Woo! Let's get excited. Let's get excited. 50 points opening. Not even opening print candle, but the candle after. So our range is looking okay. Let's see where we go from here. NASDAQ either going to find some buyers and we're going to keep pushing, or the sellers are going to just bring this thing lower. We're in a really weird spot. Good morning, Amin. Welcome in, King. Happy to have you here, brother. I know Amin's saying if we hold the 50s, then back up. We break the 50s, then lower. That's what that man Amin's hunting already. I know it. Good morning, TLR. Let's go. Welcome in, King. Happy to have you here, family. Happy to have you. Let's make Friday a banger and end the week on a good note. We need $630, excuse me, to pass these accounts. Technically, the goal is $52,500, but we made a little bit too much yesterday, so to keep the 40% rule, we need an extra $190, which is kind of lame, but, you know, we're not scared of no $90, $190. I don't really like where we're at. I do not like the price action of us pushing all the way to the upside here last night, getting rejected at these 25,860s like they have been all month. Look at this hourly chart. And now we're right back in this really gross, choppy December range. So, not ideal. We were going to have Maximilian on here with us, family, today. But he let me know that he had a tough trading day yesterday. And he's going to take some time off, probably the rest of the year. So, put Maxie in the thoughts. Hope he's doing well. And we're going to continue forward. And we are going to ride. NASDAQ coming down to the top of the lows and keep finding some rallying, just like Danny said. Did we see break for more up? That's what we want to see right now, I mean. Anything above the 600s could get interesting. Sorry to hear that about Maxi. Absolutely. It's been a tough trading session for all of us. You know what I mean? That's why you weren't. That's yesterday when you were having that moment too, Danny, or not yesterday, the day before. You're not alone, Queen. Like, it's been tough. It really has been. So we just do what we can. We show up. We put our best foot forward. We understand that at the end of the day, the market's going to do what it wants to do. We only have so much control. The only thing we really can actually manage is how much we respond to it and what we do from there. So this is trading. We're getting better every day. It's tough. It's not easy. We're looking for freedom, and freedom is expensive, baby. In the range again. Hope it's not chopping all day. I know, Richner. Really gross to get pushed right back in this awful December range. Get me out of it. Yesterday was looking promising to be finally out of it, but the sellers defended those 850s all over again. Man, I didn't know Top Step gave a free reset. I reset one of my accounts, and damn, we are spoiled. Let's go. TLR with a free reset, though, King. Make it happen, bro. Stoked for you. It's been draining for sure, and the emotions that come with it. It's the hardest easy money. The hardest easy money, Queen. And I wouldn't have it any other way. I wouldn't have it any other way. If you look at the daily chart, we're kind of near the low. So this is the daily candle. We opened, pushed up a little bit, and then found some selling. So now we're down near the bottom of it. Let's go pull it up real quick. Oh, wow. Look at that wick. This is the FOMC wick. We came all the way down, started looking really bullish out of there. And now we're down back in the range. So maybe we go take out the bottom of this wick. I don't know. That's actually a really, really weird daily chart, in my opinion. I think we could find some deeper selling for the day, to be completely honest with you, family. I think selling today is very much a possibility. But it's tricky. We're in this really gross range that we've been stuck in. The price hold a lot in this level. Big moves came, I think. Price been stuck right here, I mean. Big moves came, I think. You think we're already done with the big moves for FOMC? Now we're just stuck back in the December chop. Is that what you're thinking, King? I hope you're not completely accurate with that. That would not be ideal. Strong little bounce here off the bottom though. Pushing up towards the VWAP now. Trying a breakout long. Let's go, Queen. Good luck. Right now we're finding some momentum to the upside here. Doesn't look too bad. Looks like we could continue into the upside. I don't know. Hit 600. Let's go. There it is, the sixes, I mean. Let's see if we can hold here, push higher. Yo, there's already 20 beautiful people hanging out this morning. Thank you so much, guys. If you haven't yet, show some love. Join this community. If you find any value whatsoever, hit the like button. It's the easiest way to support. And we'll see what we can do here on this Friday. End the week on a banger note. Get these Tradeify accounts passed. We need $600, $630. I'm going to take our time, find a good position, get paid, hopefully. Pulling up into the VWAP here. I'm going to take a little attempt at it with a tight stop. I'm shorting the VWAP.
Order filled.
Order filled, sir. Sure, you are order filled. And then we're going to go ahead and go buy 5 stops. The stops are going to be in right now. Just want to see if we can get a little reaction off this VWAP. I like the decompress selling into it. It's still a little bit of an early trade for me. I am fading Danny at the moment and Amy, I think. So let's just see what we can do here. Looking for what I need. 3660. So like 33 points off the 9s. So somewhere into like, I don't even know. What's 33 minus 9? So 24. So 76. I think this would be us being done. Buy 5 limit. Or no. Sell 5 stop. Wait. Yeah, buy 5 limit. Buy 5 down there. Seeing if we can get a reaction off this VWAP. I like the little bit of movement we got, but the buyers brought it right back up. We started getting a little bit of love there. Buyers said, hold on. I like up here. 50 points done. What EMAs do you have on there? This is the 9. Actually, I don't know. That's a good question. EMA. Yeah, it's the 9 EMA, Dave. 9 EMA. Standard things. Standard settings, I believe. Trying to break out long. Hit 600. Let's go. 50 points done. Let's go, Amy. Good trading, King. I gave myself a new try challenge. Made some trading in London session with gold, but got locked out after I hit my max of 10 trades. 300 in the green. That's it for today. I'm fine with that. That's what you got to be doing. I mean, there's nothing wrong with that at all, Richner. Let's go, King. Good trading. 614.50, a hard level for buyers to break up, more up. Oh, gosh, I mean, here comes a little EMA touch and rejection. Pushing up towards the VWAP now. We're going to have our stops really fired, hoping to get a reaction. I don't like this volume. Not my favorite reaction here. I like the decompressed volume. This is making me think we're still in the right direction. Just got to be patient for it. If this can close below VWAP, I really like it here for sellers to continue loading. Buyers are trying to push up through here. If the sellers can react, we're going to be okay. Show me a strong little wick here. One time I'm going to ask for a nice wick, NASDAQ. Nice little wick. Let's find some continuation off of it now. Push us back to those lowers. Stuck below the VWAP still. I like seeing it. Chance for the breakout to pop through, but we're hoping the sellers are going to keep ours defended here. Come on, sellers. Show me some love. Defend this VWAP. Next obstacle is going to be the EMA at these 600s. If we're going to continue to hold the 6s, it's going to be a little scary. I want to see us get back below there. I want to see us go get below those 600s. My VWAP is at the 220s. Weird. Oh, I don't like that, Danny. That makes me feel a little unsafe. Different VWAPs. NASDAQ trying to defend the VWAP right now. Below the EMA, we're going to feel pretty safe. I'm going to put our break even on. Otherwise, we got to keep this risk on. I want to see the trade to the 576s. That will be us passing these accounts. Got to find the sellers defending and pushing us back through this EMA here. I like the reaction, but still not out of the woods. Come on, sellers. Big candle here. There it is. There it is.
Order filled.
There it is. Woo! Hey, hey, oh, hey, oh! Holy shit. Let's fucking get it. Oh, that's what I tell you. Holy shit, the momentum. I keep watching, learning. Hope you get some good trades in. Reach your goals. Richard, you're the man, King. The support is unreal. Thank you. Holding from the 578s. Nice little movement right there. Holding from the 78s. Hope that didn't hurt you then, Matrix. Holy shit. Come on. Let's go, Richner. There's that BBC. There's that BBC. That big black candle, no wick, though. Let's go, Max. Glad I closed my order. Me too. Let's go, family. Canceling all these. Everybody sees it. We're at 52,715. We officially passed. We did it. We did what we had to do, family. Let's fucking go. We have 5 Tradeify accounts to run with next week. Ooh, 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 ooh. Selling volumes coming in here. Why did you short there other than VWAP? So I shorted this VWAP pullback, and then also because if you look at this chart on this hourly, the way that we rejected these highs and are still front running these previous lows, I just have a lot more reason to believe, especially if you look at this chart as well. We had an auction price, and we were up at the EMA on this hourly chart. So I was just shorting this EMA pullback essentially on the hourly. Found a good fill up here on the minute to interact with the VWAP. They coincided, got a little bit of love, and now we're finding the sellers. Hopefully we can get this to continue to push to the downside. Beautiful little move though. What EMA is that? Let's find out for you now, King. I believe it is just EMA. So I put on, if you go to indicators, go to, let me look, EMA. It's just this basic EMA right here. And then once you put this one on, I put this period to 9, I believe. Let me go look. Yep, period is 9. Close, shift 0. This is what I got right here, Dave. Thank you, Queen. I love the energy. It means the most. Yeah, I have that one. 9 EMA is golden. 9 EMA and the VWAP, family. Those are the only 2 indicators I use. Sometimes we like volume. Sometimes we like levels. But EMA, VWAP, volume, supply and demand. And you can make a whole living if you can just get master those and get a little bit lucky. Sellers are officially popping in here now. Let's see it. Let's get it. The confirmation, Dave, as well for this short was right here. When we got the continuation to push up to the VWAP, found a little reaction. Buyers tried one last time to really get through here. They couldn't find any love. Once we closed back below VWAP, this was the indication that we were pretty safe. And then boom, we got the fill, and now we're chilling. Now the Nasdaq's coming down to the lower day here. Sellers still very much in control from the VWAP. Let's see what happens. Look at this hourly candle getting a little bit thicker as well. Danny, how's your account doing? I know you were super close yesterday after having a really good trading day with the price action we had. How's your account? How close are you? Pobby! Good morning, King. Welcome in. Happy to have you here, bro. Means the most. Let's have a good Friday, huh? If I break my New York lows, must see 500. I like that. If we break the 528, it's definitely going to go see 5s there, aiming for sure. Safe 28, 30 points. Why does it say your balance is 2,700? I thought you're over 3K. It doesn't, Dave, these accounts are different. They're not 3,000 accounts. So here, I'll show you what I'm talking about. This is our dashboard. Here, let me close this. The goal is 2,500, right? And you need to do it because these are the flex accounts. If I go add account, I go to select 2,500 profit target with a 40% consistency. That's why I had to make a little bit extra today. I had to get over that because of our other day. So if I go to my dashboard, we needed 440 technically, but because of the consistency, I needed like 660. So that's what we went ahead and did, or I need 630, and that's what I did. I made 640 today. So we officially got over the threshold that we needed there. Over that, these accounts are passed. Now we just be patient. Don't you need 3K to pass? No, sir, Matrix. Went to get coffee and you passed. Nice trade, bro. I appreciate it, Diego. Good energy, King. Got a little VWAP short. Sellers are still very much in control right now. Oh, dang, I didn't know you only need 2,500 on them. My bad. Isn't that kind of nice? Isn't that kind of spicy, a little sexy, nice? 3-day pass is weird, but 2,500 is nice. 40% consistency, so we need 1,000, 1,500. Yesterday I made 1,100, so we had to make a little bit more, but yep, I like the $2,500 goal there, Dave. Have a doctor's appointment right now, so just wanted to stop by and say good morning. Hey. Appreciate it a lot, Bobby. Thanks for stopping in, King. Hope it goes well. Hope it's just a little check-in, nothing crazy. Hopefully just, you know, grab your little situation, tell you to cough. A little physical situation. It's nothing bad. No, but we're here for you, Pobs. 52,115 is my balance as of now. In no rush to pass this last leg. Let's go. $885, Queen. That's so doable. You've been trading really good. Get some good price action. Find a nice trade. Not going to lie to you, this EMA touch might be a golden trade to go take out lower days. Maybe, possibly. Go take out these wicks. Yep. Well, it's already playing out, sadly, but sellers are showing their strength today, family. Let's get our box drawn up here just to help y'all out. Get our first 15-minute range visualized. Straight get a visualization. Here's our 15-minute range. Sellers rejected the top of it beautifully in that VWAP touch. Cancel all market. Make sure we're not doing anything goofy here. In no rush. Absolutely. I appreciate it, King. For sure, Bobby. Hope it goes well, bro. I still cannot believe this hourly chart, family. Look at the sellers. EMA touch was a play. Still finding some continued selling. If we break this low, I'm expecting excuse me. We break this low, I'm expecting 500s at least. We could even see the 390s, see this previous low get taken out. Here come the sellers. Let's see the reaction now. Still can't believe that we're stuck in this range from the sellers, defending these 890, 865s. Yo, I'm new here and new on trading in general. Do you have any videos on EMA to study? Maybe because it seems you know exactly what the market does. Lefteris, what's up, King? Welcome in. Appreciate you for stopping in. Welcome into the family. First of all, I do not know at all what the market's gonna do. I don't think anybody does. I'd love to have the brain of someone that could, but I appreciate the vibes and thanks for stopping in, man. I like the EMA, the 9 EMA. So I go to settings, 9 EMA right here, and if you're new to trading, King, what I would recommend more than anything is just simplify it. So I put VWAP on and an EMA on, and then you got to just start building up some screen time. So just spend a lot more time with the chart, whatever chart you want to get used to. Simplify it. I go on the 1 minute chart with a 1 hour chart, the 9 EMA and a VWAP, and then just see how price facilitates. So like if you watch here, this is overnight, so it's not as valid, but we start riding EMA, riding EMA, reject VWAP, okay, touch into the EMA one more time, reject VWAP again, and then scoop below EMA. Now you can start looking for shorts maybe. And then so it's really kind of a nuanced thing. You kind of just get a feel for it, like throwing a ball, you know what I mean? Like for a while it feels clunky, and then you just start feeling like you can start throwing certain distance and certain accuracy. It just comes with time. I'd recommend just looking at, again, simple strategies, man. Keep your expectations realistic. Understand that this is a long game that is hard to play, and over time, you're going to build up this. It's called chunking. So if you go back and look at one of my YouTube videos, I have a concept called chunking, which is basically, or not my concept, but I'm explaining a concept of how it relates to trading. And one of the biggest advantages I've found in my trading is just overall screen time, building up the vision. Like I've seen us do this before. I've seen this EMA touch right here, where once we rejected this EMA, so here we go, leftists. We come up to the VWAP, we reject. Price gets stuck on this second rejection. So we touch VWAP, reject, price tries again, find another rejection. Finally, the sellers show their strength. Like, okay, nope, sellers are loading in. We get all the way down through, separate from the EMA, come back up into the EMA without front running this wick. That to me is a huge indication, because I've seen it 1,000 times, that we're going to go touch this EMA with just a little bit of buy volume and go take out this wick. What do? We touch the EMA, go take out that wick. So it just comes with experience, King, and it happens over time. You'll be surprised with how fast it happens as well. But just have good expectations for yourself. Simplify everything. Don't put a ton of indicators on your chart, and the rest will play out, man. You got this shit. welcome in and welcome to the journey, bro. It's an endeavor worth experiencing, even though it's painful, hard, scary, shitty, all the things. But it's for your family, trading for freedom, trading for them. So it's absolutely worth the endeavor. Don't buy highs, don't sell lows. Not even the bad advice, Saucy. Nice, you're funded. W's. Let's go, GPT. We're funded again, baby. Back to funded accounts, baby. The overall. Ooh, we got disconnected, connected. Oh, we got disconnected, connected. Everybody here? We okay? Shit. Got a little OBS disconnection. Everybody home? Everybody okay? But left Eris, that's kind of what I was talking about, King. With demoing is awesome because you're building up that screen time, getting that experience in without having to risk capital. I do think, though, man, is if you can afford it, going with 1 or 2 little prop accounts is worth it as well. Just getting the experience of trading real money and getting the emotions. Demo account gives emotions too. Don't get me wrong. It's like, oh shit, I'm right, or oh shit, I'm wrong. But having a little bit of leverage, a little bit of skin on the table makes you learn ways that you'll be like, oh, why am I behaving like? Why am I so emotional? Why am I sweating right now? Like you'll get all these moments and just learning experiences, dude. I'm happy for you. Way to start. You're starting something that's worth starting. NASDAQ teased us, Amin. We said that we were going to go see the 500s if we break through the lows. Got stuck to the 501s. Pretty gross. Now we'll see the reaction. Buyers bringing back up to the bottom of the 15-minute range. Let's see what we do from here. What was the volume like? Decent sell volume. Price couldn't hold. So we had decent sell volume here and price held. So we could see a little bit of a rally. Let's see, though. Let's take again, darling. Oh, darling, sure. Very good, then. I hate, family, the range that we're stuck in on December. The highs getting defended 4 different days at the 25,860s. Lows getting wicked out. Like, this is very gross price action. Give yourself some grace if you're in this. This is not easy. Not easy. Market's only been open for 23 minutes as well, family, so make sure you're protecting yourselves. No need to rush into anything. You see 1 point till 500, this range, I don't like it. Maybe I'm done for the day. Yeah, I don't like the range. This has just been trading lately, Amin. I mean, if we even look at this, look at this. Look how close we were to front running this wick, and instead we avoid it. All these wicks are being avoided. This wick avoided. This one got swept through the previous one. This wick avoided. Like, that is just very gross price action facilitation. Usually, NASDAQ's cleaning out wicks, completing orders. Well, we've been leaving a lot of things behind, and it just feels gross. So, taking some time away is never a bad thing, I mean. Take the day, lock it out. If you don't see anything too sexy, right back in the range right now. I still like sellers below VWAP, though. If you guys haven't taken any trades, I like sellers below VWAP. Especially with this little supply or demand zone that we're coming up into. Supply was correct. We'll see what happens. Yo, there's 15 incredible people hanging out here this morning, family. Thank you for spending your morning. Thank you for showing your vibes. If you haven't yet, show some love. Hit that like button. Easiest way to support the stream. If you find any value whatsoever, it means a lot. It means a lot to me. Helps the community get bigger, stronger, better. Noah, let's go, King. Happy to have you here, bro. Happy Friday. How the charts treating you, man? You taking anything yet? You taking anything yet? You just tuning in? I'm uppy on the day. Let go. Way to end the green. A little Friday, a little free money Friday. That's too easy. Too easy. Got the little chilies there. A little bit of little chilies. Little wiggle wills. Caught DeLong 7-9. Oh man. Yeah, you did. Yeah, I use Fibonacci retracement on institutional levels for better entries. Fibonacci levels on institutional levels. How do you define an institutional level, Amy? I'll tell you what right now. These 860s is an institutional level. This flat top over here is 1,000% an institutional level. But how do you define them, Amy? Yo, let's go. We're funded with Tradeify, family. Feels really good. These accounts are really cool too. There's no consistency rule in them. 4 contracts allowed. Daily payouts. Pretty sexy, pretty spicy. Got the hiccups over here. Sorry, guys. I had a pizza last night. And I've been eating so clean. So that pizza, even though I'm going to be honest, is one of the most like authentic, real ingredients, wood-fired, like decent pizzas. But it's still fucking me up. And it's upsetting because it's like one of my favorite foods in the whole world. Like a good pie, you know what I'm saying? Well, I'm getting blurred out by my lights. I actually kind of want to make a pie this weekend. See if I can try to make one at home. Make it good too. Saucy biting. It depends on your target. If it swings 500 points, if day trade 100 to 300. Swing 500 points. If you day trade 100 to 300 for institutional level. I like that, I mean. Now I'm working from 500 to 800. Interesting. Interesting, King. Ooh, I see you got past that trailing drawdown, huh? No, I don't think so. I'm trading with Tradeify today, King. So they have a little bit different rules. Here, these are the accounts. You have to have profit target of 25. Actually, I'll show you these. Add account. I have these ones, the select funding in 3 days, 50K. I got them like a little bit cheaper, like 95 bucks. But I went with the red pill, so the daily payouts. So $2,500 evaluation, 2,000 drawdown, which pretty normal. Yeah, see reset fee 90%. But this is the interesting bit, the 40% consistency rule. So this made things, you have to do it in 3 days, kind of like this says, 1,000, 1,500. And then we were able to get over there today with the 640. We needed 630. And we crossed over there, and now we're chilling. Ooh, I'm back, brother. Just parked and see that you got that W already, brother. Let's go, work. Glad you parked, man. Parking in the city's rough, so glad you're all good. And yes, sir, we hit that trade. We got love, and now we're just chilling. Ooh, I think I'm thinking of Tradeify. Might be. Yeah, I think you're thinking of Apex, which you're good, King. No worries. Apex has been tricky. To get through that trailing drawdown in Apex is tough. You got them for 95. That's not too bad. No, it's not bad at all. If you think about it, guys, it's like 400 and then also the resets. I just reset them because I bought the original accounts for 95, busted them, reset again for 95, busted those. This is my 3rd attempt that we just passed, and the reset on the 3rd one, because they had like a deal going on, was like 70 something. So I reset all these for like 380 bucks, and now we have 5 funded accounts for 380. It's pretty ridiculous. I build indicator based on the Fibonacci range, so he draw automatically at entry levels instead of draw manual. Automatic levels, I mean. Futuristic, bud. How's that working? I mean, you have one of my favorite analysis, the way you just see the market, read the market, are calm about it. So, what are we thinking? What are we feeling, family? I do just want to share with you guys, in case anybody likes Apex, they do have a pretty crazy deal going on right now to get price action accounts, performance accounts. It makes combines really cheap. Every single combine is only $19.60, and then once you pass, you have a $65 activation. So really, really cheap to actually try to get past. Like, you can actually just keep trying the $20 over and over until you get your account, and then you're gonna pay for it to activate it. So they made it really affordable to get a performance account with their new rules, or with their new sale. Still tricky because you still have the same all-in price, but because of the cheap combine fees, it makes it really affordable. If anybody wants to, obviously Apex is tricky to get through in general, so trade at your own discretion. Some people love it, some people hate it. I understand. It's kind of both. It's a love-hate relationship. Isn't trading a love-hate relationship, or what? Isn't trading just a love-hate relationship? Like, you hate to love it. Wow. NASDAQ pulling up into the price where the original EMA touch was. The sellers showed some more strength. Unable to get up through the 70s. Sellers popping back through the bottom of the 15-minute range now. Let's be patient here. I'd be expecting some continuation from the sellers here. I really would. I'd be expecting this to continue the difference. I can give it to you and test it on TradingView. You will see exactly where the market reacts in reverse, LOL. Is that TradingView indicator you were talking about a long time ago, King? I'm pretty sure you've been talking about that for a minute, Amy. Oh my, big black. Big black, no wick attached. That's just a big black no wick attached, Noah. Hey, hey, hey. Big black, no wick attached. Seller's still in control. I'd be shorting. I think I'd take a short here, family. Defending the bottom of the 15-minute range. Defending this EMA touch. I think this is fairly decent for an opportunity. Stops would be up above this flat price. I still think sellers are in control. Anything below, I'd be looking for shorts here, but, you know, do what you got. No other one I build it. I code like 10. No, that's the other one. I built this. I coded like 10. No way. You coded that, I mean? Let's fucking go, King. That's that type of trading. This man is sitting here coding his own indicators to give institutional levels and automatically have them put on his chart. Fucking insane. I love seeing it. That's king energy right there, I mean. Let's go. Doing what we can to make the market ours. I love it. It's really good shit. 12/12 family, happy 12/12. We are officially 13 days out from Christmas. Hey, anybody excited? Are we excited for the Christmas? Hope everybody is. It's a great time of year. Be with the loved ones. Be with people we care about. Oh, sorry about that. Clicked the wrong button there. Show love to the people we care about. Hey guys, the second contact point with the EMA that I would have shorted is playing decent. If we go break these lows, I'd expect some continuation from the sellers here. Man, the market is giving nice price action again today. Listening to the strategies that we like today. Let's see these lows get taken out. Might find some aggressive selling if we do. Big blacks, no wicks attached. Maybe something crazy. I took a short at the 10 because the 5-minute close so good. Was able to hold on to it. Very uncomfortable. I usually close, but I added one up to my entry, so overall made $50. Good trade management. My exit would be VWAP. Great trade management. But I added one instead of getting out of that trade, Danny. Let's fucking go, queen. She was uncomfortable, but she held it. Added one instead. Oh, man. Great trade management, Danny. That's the type of trading I love to see. Getting better every day. Managing through emotions. Getting improvements on holding through levels. Sellers starting to show their thing now. This is what I said. I think if we break through that low, we're going to find some aggressive selling possibly here. Breaking the 500s. We'll see the reaction now. 25, 456 is the target, I feel. There's a couple decent ones, Noah. Couple decent targets. I like, yeah, 450 is decent, and then obviously this obvious double bottom wick down here at the 400s, 450s, and then possibly 400s. Nasdaq finding some selling now, nothing but in control, all the way down in the 480s. Nothing but control from the sellers right now. I would not be fading them, not trying to buy any bottoms. Join them if you want to, but you had a couple opportunities to get short. Be patient. For sure, normally I would add like a crazy woman and be in with 50 micros, and my account would have been blown. Oh, not this time, queen. You're getting better. That's what that is. Two scenarios now. If we more down to the 450 to 425s or the 400, or go back up to the 614, king. I like it. Now that we broke 500, that's what Amy's saying. We either break these 500s and go back up to the 615s, or we continue lower into those 450s, maybe even the 400s. Pretty much the same analysis. I like that a lot, Amy. Yo, there's 17 amazing people hanging out, family. Yesterday, we fell short of our 20 like goal. So today, could you take the moment, if you find any value whatsoever, we pass these accounts, show some love, hit that like button. Let's get to those 20 like goal. It means the most. Helps our community get bigger, better, stronger, so we can get more insight and get people in here hanging out with us. And overall, just get better, because more brains, the better, I feel like. People sharing ideas, sharing vibes, supporting each other. We're building something here that's amazing. So if you want to be a part of it, then we want you to be a part of it. Sellers, nothing but control today, family. And we were hinted at that from the gap. Big rejection at these 860s. Sellers showing themselves, getting stuck below VWAP, never able to get up through. Another VWAP rejection. Nasdaq opening, the New York session tried to break through VWAP, couldn't. And now the sellers are in big control down into the 480s, 500s here. Let's see what happens. Locking green today. Woo! Account locked. He's locked in with the green on a free money Friday, Matrix. Let's fucking go, King. You deserve that. Super happy for you, brother. Keep that momentum rolling. Next week is going to be a week for us to eat. Next week, we're going to go ahead and crush. I'm hoping so. Have these new accounts. See what we can do with them. I took short from open of the gap. I don't hold, LOL. That's crazy. You took the open at the gap, Amin? You'd be a rich, rich man. Yesterday, lows maybe. I think possibly, Queen. Here come the 470s, 460s. I think we could at least see previous day low, 450s, maybe even these 386 wick. We'll see. W's for sure. Let's go, mate. Way to show love, Danny. Way to show love to Matrix. Sellers just popping in, family. Like I said, if we broke through that low, I thought we were going to get a little bit aggressive, and now we're getting aggressive. Breaking down into the 450s. I shorted 505, trying half to pass the Lucid here. I believe in you, Dave. Let's go. Good short, King. Shorted at 505s. You're big up. That's a bold short. I like it. I like it a lot. 45 point TP. So you're out at the 50s. And go hit that man's TP. Bink. Touched it. Did we fill it though? No way, Dave. Did we just tickle your price? Because it's gonna fill for you. I believe 1,000%. Good trading, Dave and Danny. I re-entered at the 500. She's short too. Let's go, Queen. Oh, family's eating. Dave, full TP right there. Nasdaq consolidation at end of day. At end of Q4. Yeah, I mean, that is what we would be doing. End of Q4 consolidating. Right now, though, the sellers are doing the thing we wanted to see. Down into the 36s. My God. If we took, look at the short we took up here, family. I probably would have closed at the bottom of the range, but still. I probably would have re-entered right here. I would have re-entered at this candle I told you at the 530s, and we'd be another 100-point trade. Oh, today is just beautiful price action. You can't make it up. You just can't make it up. Gorgeous price action today. I start thinking to add order flow to see the real orders at my levels. That could be something to get to another level, I mean. I've been thinking about maybe order flow a little bit too, but I also I like to preach simplicity. So I kind of want to just keep things as simple as I can, but I also wouldn't mind a little bit more information. Wow, the sellers right now, family, are bringing this down into the 400s. Holy shit. Just crazy. Sellers are just in control. Danny, you should be crushing this. You should be making big dollars. So happy for you. 1554 profit. Might go ahead and lose like 30 bucks. Not sure what buffer is allowed on Lucid. I'm pretty sure they have a decent buffer too, Dave. I think you're okay, King. Pretty sure they have a decent buffer. I don't think you need to force any losses. Oh my God, this is printing. Let's go, Noah. Printing. Green on the screen. Let's go. Welcome in, Sobs. Happy to have you here, King. Took a beautiful short at the VWAP. We'd probably still be holding, or we would have got out at the bottom of the 15-minute range, and then I would have re-entered on this candle that I told y'all to get in at the 35s, and there's another 100-point trade. I'm out. Up 300 on the day. Let's fucking go. You're so close to passing, Queen. So close to passing. Nasdaq finding some selling volume right now. Insane. Touching into the 410s. Aiming drew it up like a book. Once we broke through those levels, we were just one-sided to go fill those wicks. Now, I will say, family, the way that we just avoided this wick, there's no expectation that we have to go find it. The last couple days, we haven't been filling them, so keep in mind this could be the end of the move playing out, and it could start slowly trickling back up. Not sure. I wouldn't mind seeing the 400s be hit, but we have been avoiding things like this lately, so keep that in mind. WA means W Matrix. Way to show love. Way to show love to Danny. More than deserved. Here comes another EMA touch. It's a V recovery. I wouldn't fade this one necessarily. I think buyers are going to give some reaction possibly. We'll see. 52, 352 to 70. 352.70s, you think? 350s would be wild. That'd be some selling. That would actually be some selling. Let's go. Oh, the whole family's eating today. Guys, these are the days I wish I had my accounts. Like, if we were already funded, oh, we would have been eating on this. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful price action. I'm a little bit nervous about how good it was today and yesterday. I'm hoping that we don't lose all of the goodness and that next week we keep some continuation. No, that's my balance. Oh, 352, okay. 648, $648 from passing, Queen. Let's go. All right, Kings, lock your account if you're green. No FOMO. End the week green. Let's go. I'm back to sleep. See y'all next week. Let's go, Matrix. Good energy, King. Appreciate you for being here. Enjoy your rest. And he said it well. If you guys are still up, end it. End the week green. End the week positive. Way to be. Tyler, most underrated YouTube trader. Dave, let's go, King. Means a lot, brother. Absolutely not, though. I'm going to be disciplined. Up 629 on my combine. Need 3,700 to pass my 5 150s. Up 629 on my combines, and I need 3,700 to pass my 5 150s. GBT on a roll. Gonna pass those 5 150s. Man, you're crushing. That's a big TP. And you're gonna have 5 accounts nearly max allocated. Happy for you, King. Make it happen. For sure want buys, low risk. The real move up came until break 650-700. For who want buys, low risk. The real move up came until we break 650-700. It is a low risk if you're trying to buy these longs, but also pretty scary. Just keep in mind, but it is fairly decent now that we got this momentum. I'd be looking to see if we can get a price hold here. We'll see, though. You passed today, Ty? Yes, sir, Sobs. We officially passed. We're going to run into next week with 5 accounts. We're at 52,715, but we only needed 2,500, so we made it through. I had to make a little bit extra today because of that day we had yesterday where we made a little bit more, but we got through. 2 amazing days. Hopefully more to come December. Have a good sleep. Absolutely, Danny. Hopefully some more coming. Hopefully the vibes don't stop, and hopefully next week the price keeps being pretty for us. $30 is buffer on 50K consistency. I'll go ahead and lose 25 with 1 MNQ. There you go, Dave. I did not know that, so that's good to know. If you guys are trading on Lucid, they have a $30 buffer. So my ass just woke up late. Isla let me sleep. Isla let me sleep an extra 45 minutes this morning. Won't pass that up though. Nah, the queen wants to rest. You let her rest. Enjoy that sleep, King, for sure. But now you're up, brother. Now time to make some monies. W, my guy. Let's go, King. Let's go, Sobs. Love the energy. Love the support, King. But now it's your turn. See what you can do. See, well, right now a lot of the move has moved, so be patient from here on out. I like longs more down here than shorts, but we'll see. Hope little Isla's doing good, though, King. Alexander, break-even day for me. We keep going. Up 2K on the week. Let's go. Up 2K on the week. Way to end it, King. Break-even day for you. Are you locked out? I'm proud of that. Way to end the day. Satisfied with what you got. Way to end the week strong. Welcome in, chatter. Welcome in, King. Matt from Rocket Scooter is having a rough day. Down 35K. Ouch. Damn. Ouchies. But he's doing it for the days that he's up, you know? He's doing it for the days that he's up, so. Isla, thank you. Thank you, thank you. Did not want to butcher that, Sobs. Isla. How pretty. It's a very pretty name. It's a very pretty name for a deserving queen. Can I set you my chart on Instagram? Absolutely, King. Always. Let me see what you're seeing. Let me see what you're looking at. Hopefully the NASDAQ continues to behave. We had some nice price action to start the morning here, family. Let's keep the momentum going. Hopefully next week also rides. Officially going to have some combines with Tradeify to play with. So could get interesting. Could get wild. Could get interesting. Oh, yeah. He is a great trader. Let's fucking go, Queen. Love your support. Constant constant love of your support. Check out Amin's level real quick that he just sent me. See what the man's is looking at. We don't have Maxie in here, and we don't have Pat. Hope Pat gets to take a peek. Take a look long. Take a look, King. Wow. I like those levels, Amy. And crazily, we respect them often. And these are the levels that he drew up on the institutional, or that he coded in. And you can see all the times that we've respected those levels. Pretty interesting. Pretty sick. Good shit, Amy. Pretty cool, brother. NASDAQ still trickling down to the lows right now, family. Be careful, be cautious. Sellers obviously took a big move, so not exactly how much more continuation we could see. We'll see what happens. Coming into the 450s, let's see the reaction. I'm going to need that, Amy. Absolutely. Strong little double bottom down here at the 400s. Kind of wouldn't be surprised if we break it, but I'd be less surprised if we hold it, to be honest with you. The way that the price has been auctioning the last month, I'm more expected this price to hold this double bottom than break, but we'll find out. We'll find out. Typically, if you go back and look at this hourly chart, these bottoms, double bottoms, double tops have been holding all month. So you have some reason to believe that this could hold. And here we go. NASDAQ's trying to find some support back up into the 450s. Let's see what happens. Tyler, how's Maine? We just got some snow down here in Indiana last night. About an inch. About an inch, King. If I showed you outside, this is the 12th of December, so it's pretty early into our winter season, and we've already had like 3 snowstorms. We've already gotten like 8 to 9, 10 inches of snow. It's been negative degrees already. It's been like 0. Today we're at 20 degrees with a wind chill. So it's just been cold. It's already been a brutal winter, King, but you know what I mean? It builds character. So I'm glad that you're getting a little piece of it yourself, Dave, because we don't need all of it. My guy Ty funded again. It's a bad day to be an NQ candlestick. Let's go, Sobs. I'd be nervous to be a little NQ candlestick. Give me those big blacks, no wicks. I'll be back in Thailand in about a month. Hey, that's where to be, King. That's where we got to be. Well away from the cold. Fun to see the snow, but glad to get away from it. So yeah, it'd be nice to see it for like a week, Dave, and then I'd be happy to get out too. I've just been here my whole life, so it's at the point where like I'm not really fazed by it anymore, but I'm just tired of it. I just want the sun. And I'm here in Cyprus, still hitting 20 degrees in the day. Dang. Share some of that. Huh, Left Aris? And winter hasn't even started yet. I know, that's the scary bit. It's not even started yet, and we're already getting hit with it hard. Although, I will say, last winter was pretty moderate, pretty chill. So I'm hoping that, you know, we're just getting hit with it early, and then by, like, February, things get chill around here, hopefully. Hey, question about that. You live in which part of Cyprus? It's 2 countries, right? Good little question, Dave. A valid little question. Market's been open now for 50 minutes, family. Protect yourselves if you haven't taken anything yet. Sellers are clearly in control at the moment, but things could flip at any spot. We're still holding out towards these lows. See what type of things we can get into. Anybody make any homemade pizzas? I asked because I really want to start doing it. I really want to go ahead and make myself... I just want to learn this process. New England, man, it could be 10 degrees in the morning, 65 degrees by noon, snow by dinner, time and rain at midnight. Yeah, builds character though, don't it, Sobs? Doji on the 5 minute, so not touching anything right now. I like that patience, Danny. We're just holding down and consolidating. You see, Mumbled, stuttered so bad. Consolidating at the lows here, but the sellers are still in control, stuck below the EMA, and now they're ripping it down. Do we see the 400s be taken? 404, 402. There's the 400s be taken out now. So sellers are still doing the thing. One is not two countries, basically Turkey illegally occupied north side of Cyprus and hold it of that. I'm Greek Cypriot. I'm a Greek Cypriot. That's badass, left wrist. Dude, let me come visit. Super cool. Me, I made hand-tossed pizzas for 10 years from scratch at local restaurants. Salt, sugar, water, yeast, flour. Mix it by hand. Store it in the fridge overnight. Cut it into a WE size dough balls. You want to let that arise for another night in the fridge. 48 hours of rising. Sobs, you are making me so happy right now. Because I've done a lot of research. I've been just watching people do it. That's what I've been seeing. More time that you let it rise and shit, the better the air and the fermentation and everything. Ty, we could reverse here, but I don't like the buy from here. Yeah, I don't like buys yet either. I mean, sellers, we could easily reverse the 400s, but sellers are taking it in. Same, but I love pizza so much I don't want it to fuck that up. I mess up. TLR. Yeah, but imagine getting good at it, King. You just have like a beautiful... Oh, I got to get a wood fire pizza, though. Because that's the thing, Sobs, right? Is like you can only do so good. You can even do your 48-hour fermentation. Let everything rise well. Have your simple sauce, just tomato, salt, a little bit of whatever. You know, have the nice mozzarella. Have everything good, but not have enough temperature on your pizza, and then you're still stuck, right? Well, I was thinking to eventually spend part of the year either in Cyprus or Sicily. I thought it's interesting that Cyprus has snow. I think you can ski there. I want to visit, Dave. I do. I like how much you travel as well, Dave. I think that's badass, man. Whatever size. Whatever is WE. Got you. Cyprus has no snow to ski, King. So basically summer all season here. Let me come visit a little bit of the Sunshine State then. Or Sunshine Country. Y'all aren't a state, but... I'm over here in this chilly-ass winter wonderland, no sun having, wind-chilled, up-a-mofo type weather. Usually the home oven sucks, but get a pizza stone, toss it in the oven at the max heat for 25 minutes before you cook it. For my crust? Are we talking about my stone? Just cook my stone for 25 minutes? Then put the pizza on the stone once it's hot enough. Got you. I love it. Sobs is giving us direct tutorial. I'm gonna let you know, Sobs. I think I'm gonna try it this weekend, and we'll see how we do. So it's just high mountains with snow, but no skiing. Isn't that weird, Dave? Never been to the U.S. either. I really want to come visit there. It would be a dream. You come visit here, Lefty, and I'll come over to you in Cyprus, so we can have a little vibe. Still cool geography there. Very cool. Go to Alaska, Wyoming, Montana. That's the beautiful part. Maine. Don't leave out Maine in that category. Alaska and Montana are almost similar to Maine. Very similar. Maine is... Holy selling, family. Sorry to get distracted. Down into the 370s. NASDAQ officially taking out these fucking lows. Officially snapping out those wicks. What's crazy about this selling, guys, which kind of gives me a little bit of excitement for next week, is that we left a 100-point gap up. We left a 100-point gap. And we're still selling. So this means that we have some option to go fill this up at some point. Things could get interesting. 410 short. Let's go, Danny. Way to hold it. We get the previous low. Yes, we did. A beautiful little snap of the previous wicks. Finally seeing these wicks. Finally starting to break out of the range, family. Finally getting out of this little ugly range. And we left a 100-point gap up above. Woo! Let's go, Danny. Put your break even on and ride, Queen. Yes, sir. It's an experiment at first. It all depends on how much dough balls you want, etc. So you want to figure out the measurements for the ingredients. Yeah, I did a lot of, again, I did a little bit of research. Mostly it's just about getting good moisture level in your dough, right? So, like, if it had 1,000 grams of flour, which is a lot, it's about 70%. It's about 700 grams of water would be ideal there, but... I don't know. It is an experiment. It's going to be fun to mess around with. Think about just getting a little bottle of wine, having my friend come over and just messing around, try to make some pizzas. Could be fun. Crazy PA today. Let's go. Really nice PA, honestly, Noah. Like, honestly, all you had to do since 939 was hit a sell button essentially. Hold a little bit of drawdown here if you bought this short of this wick or this break, but so many spots. We took this short. I called out this short and I called out this short. So I called out this first EMA touch at the 66 to go sweep out these lows. And then I called out this second, once this candle came and pushed us through the 15-minute range, the second EMA touch here for continuation. Beautiful. Beautiful. Into the 360s now. Maybe next target is the 320s, 324s. Be cautious. See what happens. Good morning, guys. Have a great weekend, everyone. Drop the likes. We need 10 more. Pat stopping in saying, what's up, King? Happy to have you here, brother. 10 likes, family. Yo, there's 17 people watching. Could the 7 people that are watching that haven't hit the like button, show me some love and hit the like button real quick. It would mean the most. I appreciate it, guys. Trying to get close to our goal of 20. If you were going to stay there from April to end of October, would you stay in Paphos? Paphos. I don't even know how to say that word. Or Nicosia. I don't want to be bored in a tiny beach town. Can't be bored on a beach town. What are you talking about, Dave? Go put your toes in the sand. Hit the waves. That's why I love my model. I could have shorted after I hit my TP and would have printed as well. I'm just fermenting the theory. Let's go, Noah. That's what we got to do, King. Got to add them in. Okay, thanks. Fuck the market. You said pizza got me hyped. Top tier food. Exactly, Sobs. So good, bro. I just want to go make a pie. Make this literally top tier food. Paphos is a town, King. Got you. Paphos. A little beach town. Is that what it is? A little sunny state. It's done for the day. In case you guys were wondering, the sell button is working pretty good today. Let's go, Pat. Happy for you, King. Absolutely. All we had to do is find the sell button today. And you're doing pretty well. Happy that you could find it, King. I used to live in Hawaii. You can definitely be bored in a small beach town. That's fair. Oh, after a while, it gets old, I'm sure. Holy shit, 340. Sellers are still in control. Danny, you still holding your 410 short right now? Please tell me you're going to pass these accounts. I love it. You probably got in with low size, which is okay. But right now, the volume is nothing but downside. Wow. NASDAQ down 1.5% on the day, family. Fucking crazy. Be cautious. Be careful. Let's see what happens here. W's. Yeah, beautiful for tourists. Paphos. A little tourist town, a little beach town for tourists. How about what's something that's similar to that beautiful, that type of beauty, Lefterus, but not touristy? You know what I mean? I don't want to just be a touristy. I know, Noah. What is going on? 320s coming in the NASDAQ. Nothing but one-sided selling here. Wow. Look at the volume on this candle as well. Almost opening print candle volume. So keep in mind, guys, this could be bottom. Biggest selling volume candle of the day. This could be our bottom, but just keep in mind, I don't know. We officially swept some more lower tier lows. Just took out this next wick, so we could find some reversal here, but right now sellers are nothing but in control. Guys, we got to run up accounts. Yes, sir, Dave. 2026 going to be our year. I see 280s potential spot of support. Small if we get there. Let's then go see 190s. You said what? 280s? A little bit of support at the 280s. Oh, my God. Here come the 300s. This is fucking crazy, family. Tell me you guys are printing, hitting the sell button, and getting paid. The reversal on this is going to be crazy. That's why I'm saying 2 TLR. And we left a 100-point gap up here, King. Look at this. Look at this 100-point gap that we just left up. Wait, where am I going? Look at this. Bink. Oh, my God. The amount that we have to reverse. Ooh-wee. Holy shit. Look at this chart. Sicily. I'm thinking Palermo. Palermo would be beautiful, too. Sicily and Palermo are the non-touristy ones. The reversal on this is going to be crazy. This is why we endure what we do, LOL. That's it. King Noah gets it. This is why we go through the bullshit. So we get to play with days like this where the market just gives us money. Only thing we can hope for is to be in a position to take advantage of it. Larnaca, another city where I'm from, not for tourists, is a very small city, population of 30,000 people. Larnaca. I love it. I'm writing that down. Check it out sometime here. I want to start traveling more, guys. Obviously, it's in a future goal. We got to financially be there, and things have to line up for it. But I'm ready to do it. Holy smokes, kind of wish I went in heavier, but one micro has got me a total of 500 today, so not complaining. One micro had made you $500 today. What's that put the account at, Queen? Tell me you're close. I do think you could have sized up a little heavier. I really do. The price action is pretty clean, but also protecting your accounts is okay. Did you hit XFA? Not yet, I don't think so. She's really close, though. You are welcome anytime, King. No bad people here. I love it. Can't say the same about America. There are some bad people, but for the most part, man, come to Maine, you'll be hard time finding some of them. We're pretty chill here. We're all just grumpy about snow, so we usually don't care about people. No, this is my funded futures eval. MFF eval, and she's so close. Oh, she's so close. Project X has too many issues. Absolutely. Just passed one of my 50K accounts with one mini. Let's fucking go. W's for Jerson? That's like, I don't want to say Jason, but for Jerson, welcome in. King, I think the first time I've seen your name, chatter. Welcome to the family. Welcome in. It's going to be 9 degrees here on Sunday, but 50s for Christmas. That's the Midwest. 50s on Christmas, but 9 here tomorrow. Well, yeah, right now it's 20 degrees here. Probably going to be a pretty chilly winter, but we'll see. 480 away. W's. 480 away. That's so easy. Let's go, Queen. I believe in you. 295 bounce was close. Let's see if it holds. 295 was close to the 80s there. Anything above the 300s. We did have the biggest sell volume of the day here. Market could actually have this bottom be, guys. Keep that in mind. We could find a bottom here. We really could. Biggest sell volume, pushing the 300s, swept all these lows. Nasdaq starting to wick out now. Could find a little bottom here. Long? No, it's not a zero. I'd probably stab a little try at it. Try a little stab, maybe. Keep in mind though, you could get your face ripped right off. So, welcome and congrats. Absolutely, Danny. Love the energy, Queen. Absolutely love the energy, Queen. LOL, I'm done for the day. I'm just saying. I know it's tempting though, isn't it? I'm done for the day too, but oh, give me these longs. I'd be interested in it possibly. There's reasons that it could work. I don't like longs unless we break and hold over the 450s in my opinion. Back up at the 50s, huh? Yeah? Okay. It's good. It's good discipline. No need to get in too early. My only reason for the long down here, Saab, is that we swept a bunch of lows. We're holding the 300 whole number. We had the biggest sell volume candle of the day, and price is still unable to break through lower. So, it's a little interesting. We'll see what happens. Yo, somebody let me know how many likes we're at, family. We're doing great things. We had 12 amazing people hanging out, doing the thing, watching this market just sell off to the one side here. If you guys have not shown any love yet, hit that like button. Easiest way to support the stream. Show your vibes. We at 8 likes. We're at 8 likes. Damn. Y'all said I ain't hitting that like button. Y'all said I'm not hitting that like button. Yo, Dave, when you signed up for that 50K. When you signed up for that 50K, what code did you use? Come on, people. Show the love. Show the love, says the queen. Hey. Show the loves. I appreciate y'all for hanging out, doing the thing, being in this comment section, being a part of this community. Y'all better hit that like button, man. Let's go, Noah. Y'all heard him. Y'all better hit that like button, then. You don't want that King Noah being upset with you. This is probably, this wick down here is where I would try this long, family. So this would be like right now. This is where I'd be trying the 326s with my stops below the lows. So I'd be risking about 30 points here. See if we can get a roll. It's very risky. Keep in mind, we could go sweep these lows again. We could easily go sweep these lows, but this is a chance to see the longs possibly wanting to hold here. Not sure. Back below the EMA isn't really ideal, but nice little reaction. If you are going to take this TLR, put your break even on soon. I'd be taking this previous wick down here. Is where I told you the 326 is where I'd be buying. And now I'd be putting my break even on once we're back above this EMA like this. I'd be break even and riding, King. Hopefully this keeps playing out for you. Stops be below the range. Not anymore. Now break even's on. You already got 30 points in profits. Let's go. Let's go, TLR. Easy work, King. Easy work. Hey. Let's see this thing keep printing for you. Break evens riding. NASDAQ holding above these 350s. If we keep maintaining above the EMA. This is the first time ever NASDAQ's been above the EMA since this morning. We've only had 1, 2, 3 closes above, so let's see it push. Beautiful little move from the 26s that we told you to take. Let's go. Let's get it. Let go. NASDAQ providing money today for the family. I'm excited, guys. We have some Tradeify funded accounts to play with. See what we can do with that. I kind of want to just hit it hard. You know what I mean? Take the payouts. I got to break the streak here. I got to take one more payout before the end of the year. That's my goal. I'm going to take a payout out of these accounts, hopefully a couple, and break our little cold streak to end the year. We're put in a good position for it right now, so just got to do our best to maximize. Just got to do our best to maximize. The opportunity is there. If we break above these 384s, we could get kind of aggressive. Break even should be on if you did take a stab at this long. Sellers are still very much in control, so the rotation isn't very... it's not going to be the strongest assumption of a move off of it, but we'll see. NASDAQ trying to break back below that EMA all over again. Volume is up, family. There's a lot of trading participation going on right now. Lots of volume. That's a great goal to have. Let me just be the guy playing the other side of the coin for a sec. Focus on your process, over profits, payouts, etc., and it will come. You already know you can do it. I love it, Sobs. Good energy. And a great reminder. No need to force anything. We have a decent process. Just trust it. Let the time play out. Don't rush anything. I just believe that within the time we got 18, 19 days left. You can easily get a payout. You're back in the saddle where you want to be, so let's keep that momentum. Let's go, King. You right. We back in that funded momentum. Keep this trades rolling. See what we can do. See what we can do with it. I was trailing out 700 plus. TLR. Way to buy along there, King. Get out quickly. Nice trading, brother. Been loving the price action. It wasn't like this the last few weeks when I started getting into it. Oh my word, King. Lefterish just started a couple weeks ago. I'm going to drop you a fat W. Number one, man, congratulations on starting the journey. And then also congratulations for starting during some of the hardest price action, man. I know a lot of experienced traders, man, a lot, and they've been struggling. Like, this has been shit, and you came in introducing yourself to that, so, hey, man, I'm excited for you to start seeing some actual good price action, kind of like today, and I hope you get to continue to see some good days, man. Hopefully December can continue being decent for us. Right now, it's officially starting to break its bullshit. Not sure how much good trading there will be after the 23rd of December. Yeah, that's a good point. That's a really good point. We only got a couple more weeks really left before everything kind of just turns down. America goes into a little chill period, waiting for Christmas, enjoying the holidays, New Year's, all the things. And then after that, we're back like we never left. January is going to be a wild time. 2026 is going to be crazy. Holy shit. W trades from the squad today. Don't even need to take a trade. The kings and queens are eating. That's it right there, Sobs. We are eating today. Don't even need to take anything. Beautiful price action today. Little sideways action after that nice dump. Yep. consolidation. Also, this was our biggest sell volume candle of the day. So if we're not pushing through this, could be interesting. But also our rule, consolidation after a break in, usually it causes the same breakout. So we break out the same way that we broke in after consolidation typically, but we'll see. It is starting to form a little higher low, kind of a little bear flag as well. A little bit of something going on here possibly. $26 were the nice long that we called out. Excuse me, mamma mia. I just keep wanting to spam this gray button. Some top Tradeify, Tradeify, whatever it is. Doesn't do anything weird to me. ES has external, is drawing too. Does it? ES hasn't found the bottom yet? Interesting. Tyler, how long are you going to be there doing that job? What's your 2026 plan for main and trading? Great question, Dave. If you ask my buddy, I should have already left my job a while ago, but I don't know, King. For the first time in my entire existence, I came from nothing. So for the first time ever, I have like financial stability. So it's kind of scary and hard for me to want to walk away from my income right now, from my job. I obviously make money trading, and I've started making money also from streaming a little bit, which is not much money at all, but it is a sign that there is a direction there that I could pursue. But it's hard right now because I've like last few years, I had nothing 4 years ago, and I've built my way into the lifestyle that I have now. So it's like, there's hesitation for me to want to leave, but I think if 2026 starts off strong, we have a good couple payouts and we're rolling with momentum. I think I'm gonna go all in and leave. I don't think I'm gonna be at this job very much longer. I'll just say that, but we'll see, Dave. Not sure yet, King. 2026 plans for trading though, and for main. 2026 plans for main is gonna be just to continue to enjoy the people I have around me, my family, my friends. We're all here in this state, which is one of the biggest reasons why I haven't left yet. But it's I just love my people, so I'm going to continue to hang out with them, just enjoy Maine for what it is. It's a beautiful state that gives a lot of safety and comfortability. So Maine, nothing's going to change there. Might move out of Bangor where I'm at right now because I'm kind of isolated away from everybody, but we'll see what happens. And then for trading, man, I just want to continue to get better. I want to continue to get better and document my process here with you guys on YouTube, build our community up so that y'all can just be a part of a hopeful success story where I went from not being a trader to being $1 million trader. That's the goal. If you look at the YouTube bio, building to be $1 million future trader and sharing everything on the way. So I want to continue on that momentum there, just keep getting better and show up every day. I think that's my biggest goal for 2026. Just show up every day. Things are going to be hard. Things are shitty, but we just keep showing up. You have your chance for success is 100. So you already have people use your code. This guy Myth on YouTube makes $15K a month with his affiliate codes. Oh, that's insane, Danny. $15K a month. Oh yeah, we have had people using the code. A lot of them has been my buddy, and a couple other people have. I think we've had probably 30 or so people use the code. That's not. So it's something, right? And it's just a sign that if I go harder on this and spend more time, creating more content, doing the things, it could be another source of income. Again, my reason for saying it is just because I'm hesitating on leaving my income at work. So if I could replace it with something, then I'd be a little bit more comfortable. Again, it's just fear. I came from nothing, so I don't want to go back to that life, but I believe in myself, and I believe in the thing that we're building here and just my overall direction with trading. But I'm also 25, about to be 26, so I'm not trying to rush it. I know I'll be financially secure if I just keep doing what I'm doing and don't get caught in it needs to be now. Like if I just keeping my patience and keep being disciplined, and eventually I'll have everything I want, right? Eventually we'll have everything we want. Just gotta be patient. I believe in you, Ty. King Noah, let's fucking go, man. Means the most. Believe in you too, brother. Had to lock in for a bit. 3 new XFAs, negative 1700 to plus 82. Shaking my head. Mental tank on empty. Diego, sorry to hear the tough fucking challenge, King, but you're back, baby. Way to make that drawdown back on those new XFAs. Sellers are in control. You buy that long there? You sexy little, you bought those longs, didn't you? You're not scared of shorts. I'm back, brother. Wanted to say I hope everyone has a great weekend and may everyone be blessed. And next weekdays will be ours. Let's go work. Great energy, King. Thank you for stopping back in, showing the love, showing the vibes. The reason we appreciate you right there, man. We believe in you as well, man. Keep it up. Left Aris, thank you so much, King. Fuck, it means so much. This is what I'm saying. The support here this is my favorite part of my day now, by far, guys. Having y'all being here with me, spending the morning, building this community, getting new friends. It is my favorite part of my day by far. So thank you guys for being a part of it. Marijuana picking, 50K payout taken, DoorDash ordering, Maine living son of a gun. You got this, Tyler. You just pegged me down. That's it, Dave. You pegged me down there. Hey, Tyler. Sorry for being late to stream. I just got diagnosed with sleep apnea and got a CPAP machine. I got to use it 4 hours every day, LOL. I always love the streams, brother. No fucking way, Ronnie. Bro, I miss you. Thanks for stopping in, King. Happy to hear from you. That is crazy to hear about the CPAP, though. I'm actually so interested in that. How did you know? How did you get diagnosed? Like, how did you know that there was something going on? And then how much did the CPAP help? That's insane. Miss you, bro. I'm happy to can't wait for you to come back. Get some workouts in. 2026 Kings and Queens Discord. Oh, sobs. How about this, guys? Okay, this is my first time ever saying this. I'm going to say it right now. It's my first time ever. I want to create, okay? Would there be any value in this? There's 14 people hanging out, 14 traders. So I'm going to ask you guys. I want to create something called Trading Spaces, okay? And it's going to be a social trading app. So it's like picture Discord, but better for trade. It's just simply for traders, where there's going to be certain spaces, like there's a NASDAQ space, a crypto space, an ES space, a gold space, whatever. All these spaces where traders are in there, like on Discord or on like a page where you're just uploading everything about that specific sector. Everything you want to do, you can upload a little gold post. You can show your trades. You can find other communities, other spaces where it's just people like us. We'd create our own little space. You can show your dashboard, show your trades. Everything's going to be connected to you. Like, you know what I mean? It's like an easier spot for traders to congregate, to all show our ideas, to build communities. And it'd be on a app called like Trading Spaces. I don't know. It'd be obviously it'd be free to join. Just, it'd be hard to get like traders interested and get everybody in there. The more expensive part is just going to be getting it started. It's going to be hard to get funded. Where do I sign up? Where's the first round of investing? Sob, see, you're going to be our first. See, I was thinking about this. I'm going to create a wish list, okay? Create a wish list or waiting list where traders, if we get excited, we can go join that, start joining the conversation, start getting it built up with like our own ideas. And then I got to just start finding some developers to start getting the app built. Obviously, we have AI right now that can help vibe code a lot of it, but yeah, would there's any value there, guys? A trading social app called Trading Spaces where you can just show all your trade ideas, find your community, talk about different segments. When Powell's on, everybody's going to be watching the Fed decision on there. Maybe eventually we can even live stream our trades from Trading Spaces. I don't know. But I think it would be fucking awesome if we could get it done. W. Ronnie, for sure, Ronnie. Remember how I never get good sleep? Tired? I had a sleep test done since I'm home now. It helps so much. I'm so hyped because I know how important sleep is to recovery. Can't wait to get back and work out. Let's fucking go, Ronnie. So stoked for you, King. Sleep is everything, bro. Getting that dialed in is going to be crazy. Our workouts are going to go wild. Happy your health is turning around, King. Also, that app sounds fucking sick. You already got a dope community. Building this would be fucking amazing, man. It would, Ronnie. It would. It's a big ask, but I kind of want to start trying it. A little Trading Spaces, get everybody in here. Then we don't need a Discord. We can just create our own little space, share our ideas, share trading charts, have it tethered. I want to have it connected to prop firms, so it's like an easy little prop firm dashboard, so you can see all your, like, not your stats, but like see all the requirements, see everything listed out for you on your dashboard. And it would help people that wouldn't be like, there's no more, like, for new traders, they can go in there, get a complete idea of what's going on. For experienced traders, they can still share insights and talk to other people. It's going to be a collective spot for traders, essentially. A social trading social app. or social trading app where we can just all be on, and I don't think that exists right now, and I think it could be fucking huge for us. So yeah, guys, that's kind of something I kind of want to work on. We'll see what 2026 is, but it's kind of hard to. I looked up ChatGPT how much it would take to get it done. It said it'd be like $1 million in 2 years. So I don't know if I believe it, but that's fucked. Amazon started in a garage. Sure did, Sobs. Sure did, King. Gonna have to go, people. Lots of love to everyone, and I'm glad I found this community. Glad you found it too, King. Thanks for stopping in. Thanks for sharing your morning, and excited to see you next week, man. Enjoy your weekend. Take it easy, King. Yo, there's 17 incredible people hanging out. If we haven't shown any love yet, let's hit the like button, family. We're going to be ending stream here soon. NASDAQ selling back in towards these lows. Kind of just chopping. We got the big move happen already. Not sure what more moments we're going to get here. I appreciate every single person for stopping in, sharing your morning, showing some love, adding to the conversation. Excuse me. Adding to the conversation. Going for a big payout next week. I'm going to see y'all, boys. Have a great weekend. Bye, Ty. Take it easy, King Noah. Appreciate you for being here. We're going for that payout together, brother. To be honest, I just want to golf right now. Sobs? Oh, don't say that word to me right now. I've been chipping and putting in my apartment all like crazy. Literally, I just hit a couple chips. I have my 60 wedge, or no. Yeah, I have my 60 over here, and I just have like 5 balls. I just was doing that before I got on stream. Also, just addicted. But we're going to see, family. Drop a W. Drop some love. I appreciate you guys so fucking much. Sobs, King Noah, Lefterist, TLR, Ronnie, Work, Noah, Dave, obviously Danny, Diego. I'm not sure if Pat's still here. He probably got out of here quickly. TLR. Every single person hanging out. Y'all fucking mean the most to me. Thanks for spending the day. Thanks for spending the week. I'm glad we ended the week on some good energy. We passed these accounts. Gonna roll in next week with some momentum. Hopefully we can get these payouts rolling. Pobby's back. How'd it go, King? Let us know real quick. We're about to get out of here. How'd the appointment go? Drop us some good info before we get off stream. Have a good weekend, TLR. Be safe, King. Oh, I'm late. Yeah, we're about to close. We're about to saying goodbyes right now, but I gotta know now. How did the appointment go, King? Drop me some good news here to end the week on some positivity. Take it easy, Ronnie. Excited for you, brother. Keep that health going. All good, just a checkup. That's what I wanted to hear, Bobby. Just a little checkup, little grab and cough. You said you got a problem. You're killing the markets. Doctor said you got a problem, son. You're killing these markets. Oh shit. All right, Sobs. Happy to hear it, though, Pobby. I love you guys. Take it easy. Spend the rest of your weekend getting some sun, drinking some water, hugging somebody you love. And next week, we're going to keep the momentum rolling. So I appreciate you guys. Have a good weekend. I love you. Peace.